Say, crack my finger.
What? Crack my finger?
Say, crack my finger.
Crack my finger.
I'll say it backwards.
Finger my crack.
Medic. Why would you say that?
Maybe I want you to finger my crack.
In your back?
Yeah.
Man, I got 8 hours. Still mega raid. And half that time I'm going to be driving. Oh, it's almost time to go to work.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. You gonna go to work?
Oh, it still stinks.
Yeah,
But I think you got it in my air tanks.
Mitchell called me yesterday and said, "Are you coming?" Not today. I'm coming Monday.
Yeah? What? Why are you being rude? I didn't mean to do that, Brian.
What'd you do?
You're gonna think that I want to trade.
Oh, shit.
I had trade.
Let's trade. Let's do it. Far away.
Far away trade. So were you guys coming tomorrow or not?
Yes. Motherfucker, yes. So the house better be cleaned up when I get there.
Oh, house better be cleaned up when he gets there, he said. You put everything in the other room, that spare bedroom. Nobody needs to look at that. Shiny.
It's shiny.
Oh, I already have one of those. I already have one of those. That's what you say when you're jealous.
I'm jealous. Can I have one?